vegan avocado ice cream. Check out the big guns. Mwah, mwah. Firepower. Recipes coming right up. Don't go away. Welcome, my friends. Today we are using one of the world's most versatile fruits, the delicious, the one and only avocado. Hi, I'm Marcy from the Marcy's of Experience, and here in sunny South Florida, we are on the cusp of avocado season. And what do you do with all these avocados? You make avocado soup, avocado mash on your toast, chocolate avocado pudding, avocado mousse. I mean, I can go on forever. I love avocados. But today's recipe, my friends, is the one and only a vegan avocado ice cream. It's amazing. So without further ado, let's get to the recipe, shall we? For our avocado ice cream, you will need 2 cups of avocado. Mine's already in the blender, as well as a can of coconut cream and your sweetener of choice. I'm using raw unfiltered honey today, but you may use agave nectar, coconut nectar, sugar, whatever you like is what you're gonna add. And if you're keto, you're probably gonna wanna do the monk fruit or a stevia with the 0 calorie, 0 carb kind of thing. For our second part of the ice cream, I'm actually gonna take the first part out. I'm gonna take half out and put it into my pan with a piece of plastic wrap. And the second part, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of cacao with a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. So I'm going to make a chocolate avocado ice cream, or actually a chocolate chip avocado, as well as just regular avocado ice cream. Both vegan and both are made, of course, with the coconut cream because we're using one as the base. All right, then you're gonna need just a pan, some kind of pan or a cup or something with a lid to put in the freezer, as well as some plastic wrap. And for your second portion, if you are gonna make the chocolate chip with us, then you're going to want a separate second pan to put in the freezer. All right, so my avocado's already in here. I'm gonna add this, the entire thing. I love coconut cream, it's so good. And I'm going to add my sweetener. And then we're gonna blend away, right? Look how rich and thick that is. Wow, that's incredible looking, right? Let's move this over for a second. So we're gonna pour some into here. Wow. And then we'll freeze that. And then what I'm gonna do is use the rest of this to make the cocoa one. Wow, is that good? So I'm not gonna make a lot of that in there, but I'm gonna make some. And I'm going to put some plastic wrap on this and stick it right in the freezer. Okay. Bye-bye. So into the freezer we go. Then what I'm gonna do is grab the blender and bring it back here to put some of the cocoa in with the chocolate chips. So that's gonna be super good also. Nice and rich. And blends right away. All right. And my blender top. Okay. I'm gonna scrape down the sides here. I just tasted this and it is out of this world. I mean, just out of this world. Oh, this is perfect. You know what? I think we're done. I think our job here is done, people. Let me get it into a pan, and it's going in the freezer. What a beauty. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. So good. And put some plastic wrap on it. Things are looking good. And into the freezer we go. We'll be back. And I thank you so much for joining us in the making of this special avocado ice cream treat. If you enjoyed yourself, please consider hitting the like and subscribe. Until next time, have a beautiful day. Right, girls?